The history of acetylcholine is a fascinating journey from folklore to modern medicine. In the 1800s, Italian women used belladonna juice to dilate their pupils, giving the plant its name, beautiful lady. By 1831, atropine was isolated in pure form, later revolutionizing the treatment of asthma and eye disorders. The toxic calibarbine led to physostigmine, revealing how chemicals can stop the heart or treat glaucoma. Otto Loewy's 1921 frog heart experiments proved chemical transmission, earning him a shared Nobel Prize. But the 1930s brought darker discoveries, lethal nerve gases like tauben and sarin, which irreversibly inhibit life. These toxins create unbreakable bonds, leading to respiratory failure, a stark contrast to natural extracts. Redemption came in 1951 with malathion, the first safe insecticide designed to protect crops while sparing mammals. Today, these drugs are vital for treating Alzheimer's, a science built on the dual nature of chemistry.